Well, hello, you beautiful people. So, this quick video is to share how to use our brand new dynamic wrinkle limiter. Dynamic wrinkle limiter. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share some information about the product, and then I'm going to share some before and afters, and then I'm going to show you exactly how and where to use it. So, this is information about the product itself. So this is a product where you can skip the syringe if you happen to be getting injectables, or you can use this product to help prolong the length of how long those injectables might work for you. So it is a targeted cream which allows you to deliver potent actives precisely where facial creases occur, and it helps minimize the impact of facial expressions that cause the appearance of dynamic wrinkles. So here are the main ingredients that are in this product. French lavender extract, which helps minimize the impact of facial expressions, which causes dynamic wrinkles. Electric daisy extract, a well-known wrinkle relaxant, and rosemary extract that helps minimize the impact of facial expressions, which causes dynamic wrinkles. And I will explain what dynamic wrinkles are here in just a minute. So these are some before and after photos that were published. And so in this one here on the right, you're going to see a difference in her forehead wrinkles. So up here and a little bit in between her brows, but mainly on her forehead. And so one is on day one when she started using the product, and then after 8 weeks. So after 8 weeks is when you'll see primarily the most benefit, but you want to keep using it in order to keep seeing those results. Okay. And then over here, we're targeting the crow's feet, which is just on the outside of the eye area. So you can see here on day one, some wrinkles here in the area, and they are much less over here. Now, it's not intended for under the eye, okay, just on the outside of the eye. And then down here, focusing more on those forehead wrinkles, where you can see they're a little bit deeper on this particular person, and then you can see they're much more relaxed here. And then these are my before and afters. So I have one without makeup on, and my primary focus is these little things called the 11s, because they look like 11s right between my eyebrows, and I've had them for quite some time. And so this is before I started using the product, but with makeup on, okay? And I do need to take a picture of outer, but I didn't have a great picture of that. So anyway, this is after 10 weeks. So you can see that if you want to compare the without makeup, that's this one here and this one here. This is without my foundation on. They are much more relaxed, and the ones across my forehead are not nearly as pronounced. And this was 4 weeks ago, but with makeup on. Okay, so I am definitely seeing results, and I'm loving the difference here between my eyebrows. Okay, so dynamic wrinkles are wrinkles that show on your face when you're showing no expression, things that still are there. So you can't see that much on my face at the moment because of the lighting. So if I turn this on, you can tell a little bit more here, okay? So this is designed for in between your eyebrows, on your forehead, and crow's feet. Now, I've been putting it here too, and I think I'm seeing a difference, but here's how you want to use it. It does not take much, tiny bit. It goes on after you've cleansed, after you've done any sort of exfoliation, and if you happen to use a toner, after that and before your moisturizer. So I'm going to show you just how little you need. That is all that you need for your forehead, regardless of how deep or dynamic those wrinkles might be. So you just blend it in. It's very thin, lightweight product. It doesn't take much, okay? And then I'm going to take a little bit, again, a small amount, and I do this, and then I do out here along where those crow's feet are, okay? And then I have a little bit left, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to do it a little bit right there. Now, if you've got some wrinkles that are outside of those areas, then we're going to want to look at something else that would be more cost effective to help you get the results that you want. Okay. I hope this is helpful. Enjoy the dynamic wrinkle limiter, and I look forward to seeing your results. Welcome to the Forehead Club. See you soon.